Today is Tommy Groom Day. Tommy, are you excited? All right, come on. Tommy is sometimes afraid of the clippers. What? We're gonna do all right. Thank you for the sticker. Say hi, Dragon. All right, Tommy, are you ready? All right. Sit. Sit. Oh, look at that. Oh. Good boy. No, no nipping. No.
Is it time for a bath for yet?
No, not yet. We'll get dressed. Thank you for my kiss.
Oh, okay.
Come closer. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Look at all this hair.
Dang.
And
What you doing, dog?
say, Mommy's getting me all wet. Bye. Right,
There
sit.
go Tommy.
Sit, buddy. Sit.
Clean and almost dry.
Yeah. He doesn't like the blow dryer, so we can't blow dry him. We don't have one anyway.
Oh.
Buddy. Oh, Tommy. Did you? Tommy, no, not the cover. Did you enjoy your groom day, buddy? Tommy, you enjoyed it? Yeah? Good boy.